Joe Jonas wiping away tears as he performs Little Bird in front of his daughters.
A bit overwhelmed.
The singer had an emotional moment during Thursday's Jonas Brothers tour stop in their hometown, Newark, New Jersey. An ET insider notes that Nick, Joe, and Kevin's parents, Kevin Sr. and Denise Jonas, were on grandparent duty as they sat in the audience with Joe's daughters, 3-year-old Willa and 1-year-old Delphine, marking what appears to be the first time the girls have attended their dad's current tour. The family was joined by Kevin's wife, Danielle, and their daughters, 9-year-old Alina and 7-year-old Valentina.
It's a family affair.
As well as the youngest Joe bro, Frankie Jonas, who took the stage at one point during the show's intermission.
It's amazing.
As for Joe's heartfelt performance, it comes amid his divorce from Sophie Turner, with whom he shares both daughters. The former couple was married for 4 years.
I really don't do much speaking upon my personal life.
In October, Joe and Sophie underwent what was reported to be heated mediation sessions in order to work out a temporary custody arrangement. According to docs obtained by ET, the co-parents are alternating weeks with their kids through the end of the year. Joe shared Thanksgiving with the girls, while Sophie will have them on Christmas.
'Cause I know if I'm doing my job correct, nights like these will happen less. So please just keep me in your heart when you fly into somebody else's arms, little bird.
And it turns out Little Bird has proven to be quite the tearjerker on the Joe Bros tour.
We should start. We can do like a betting thing on this.
Betting pool?
Who cries
happen.
where? Well, we can't be a part of it. We can't actually know, because then that would.
In Chicago, Joe was visibly emotional after a fan asked them to perform it in honor of their dad, who died.
So please just keep me in your heart when you fly into somebody else's arms.
Before that, Kevin cried while performing the song for a fan in Mexico City whose daughter died.
We're all in tears.
And before hitting the road, the singers opened up to ET about the sweet track.
Which one of us do you think might cry when we sing Little Bird?
I'll do it. I guess I'll do it. I'm man enough.
Kevin, Joe, and Nick, who wrote the song for their daughters, have 5 little girls between them.
What's your favorite song from the new album? Why? I think it's about you? Sure about that?
It's the first song we ever wrote about being fathers, and I think something special, heartfelt, and truly organic about that whole experience.
Nick shares Malti, who turns 2 next month, with his wife, Priyanka Chopra.
It is certainly life-changing. She's amazing. Brings me a lot of joy. All is good.
Meanwhile, Joe has been wearing his heart on his sleeve, literally, rocking some fresh ink on his chest. 2 dates with an X between them, 7/22/20 in honor of Willa's birthday and 7/5/22 for Delphine's.
Genuinely, being a dad rules.
Here's hoping less tears and more joy for all the Joe Bros in 2024.